Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, I am Alice and you're welcome to this channel. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So guys, oh my god, my greatest fear finally came to pass, unfortunately for me. Oh my god, oh my goodness, I don't know how to start it because this has really been my fear since the very beginning. Like, I didn't want to actually do this roller set. I was super scared, and now how do I say this? Okay, I got heat damage, and I don't know, like I don't even know where to start from because look at my hair. Like, guys, look at my hair. I can't even comb it. Like, it's really difficult for me to comb it. Most of the hair are tightly attached to each other, very dry, brittle, stringy. I don't even know what to say. Like, I don't know. So I don't even know what to say. I don't know. But anyways, guys, this is the hair. Like, this is the hair after the roller set I did, and I discovered that I have heat damage due to the heat, the hair dryer. So because I couldn't comb the hair, I had to make use of leave-in and my coconut oil to help me ease the hair, so I'll be able to comb it out. And this is the look after using it, and trust me guys, after some time the hair went back totally dried. I don't know, but anyways, I'm going to share with you guys in my next video how I'm going to be treating the heat damage. So stay tuned and make sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.